It is now summer and peaches are in season, so we are making a copycat Chick-fil-A peach milkshake. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing that you're going to do to make your peach milkshake is make your peach puree. So what I did was I took 2 peaches, I sliced them, and then I added them to my saucepan over low to medium heat, along with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the peaches were nice and caramelized and soft. And now I'm just going to add it to my blender and blitz it all together so that it is a puree. Also, if you don't want to make a peach puree, you can also just buy it from the store or buy a peach jam. That will also work, but I felt like making it from scratch and I had a lot of peaches, so why not? And the great thing is there'll be leftovers and I can put this on toast in the morning. Now I have a separate blender, and to that I'm just going to add in 2 cups of vanilla bean ice cream. And I know a lot of people say vanilla is boring, but I personally love vanilla ice cream, but we are spicing it up with all of our peach puree as well as some frozen peaches. Next, I'm just going to add in 1 cup of frozen peaches. You can also use fresh, but I like a really thick milkshake, so I prefer using frozen. Oop, there we go. As well as some vanilla bean. So if you just want to use vanilla extract, it's a little bit cheaper. You can just add in 1 teaspoon, but I actually have these vanilla beans. They smell so good and they add so much more flavor. So I took half a vanilla bean, cut it in half, and then scored it down and took out the center. There's not very much, but this is powerful stuff. You don't need a lot of vanilla bean to really get the flavor of it. And I'm also going to be adding in some of my homemade peach puree, and I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons. Along with a 4th cup of just whole milk. You can also use almond milk or whatever milk you want. And now it is time to blend our milkshake all together. This is optional, but if you want to add even more peach flavor to your drink, I am just going to add a little bit of the peach puree to my glass and try to give it a swirl effect, kind of like how they do with the smoothies at Erewhon. Now I've got to say, that looks absolutely delicious, but we're not done yet. So I just made some homemade whipped cream. You can also use store-bought, but it is so easy to make homemade whipped cream and so delicious. So I really recommend just making it from scratch. All I did was take 1 cup of heavy cream along with half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of just granulated sugar and blended it together for about 1 to 2 minutes until stiff peaks formed. And now we can pipe this onto our milkshake. Now, doesn't this look absolutely delicious? And my favorite part is always trying it. I definitely overfilled it a little bit. I can see that, especially now that I put the whipped cream on. But if I'm not messy, then it's not me. So here we go. Wow. That is so delicious. It's peachy, it's nice and thick, it's refreshing. I honestly would say it rivals Chick-fil-A's, and that's saying something. So if you'd like to see some more of my homemade milkshake recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!